Well, hey there. Do you need to create marketing copy or e-commerce copy, or you just on the look for the next great idea to write about in your blog? I'm going to show you how to do just that with neuroflash. So as you can see, I've started to create my first project here. I want it to be in the US, so English language. And let's see what content type I want to select. So headlines, Facebook ad tags, and we have many more reaching from product descriptions over call to actions, also blog ideas. But I want to go with slogans. Now the next step is you need to give a brief to the system. So just think about it how you would actually brief a copywriter or a colleague about the topic. That's how you would need to brief the system. Go check out this link here that we talk about how to really get the best output. So for this example, I've created a little description about neuroflash, and that's about it. So let's go check out what the system creates for us. Well, it takes up to 12 seconds to produce content. Here it was a bit faster, and you can see there are my first slogans. So what is the next step? So obviously you can refresh if you don't like that. You can create more of a certain kind. So if you want to more like this, you just click on this button here. But let's see. I want to have this one first. Already works quite nicely for me. And you can see we just get also a rating. So the things are rated. So this one has 100 out of 100, 100%. What does it mean? You can actually click on the score here and get more detail. Check our other videos to understand how to interact with the gold score and what it all means. But let's focus on how to actually get ideas. So here I've just showed you how to get slogans, but you can actually change that. Let's see, we want to get blog ideas. So I'm going to take this away here, but I'm just going to go really broad. So I'm going to talk about AI and marketing. And based on just that few keywords here, I'm going to click save, and the system going to produce blog ideas for me. So here, tack, just a couple of seconds, and it will create topics that I could use as my next blog idea. And this way you can, under brief, also change the output type and also change your brief and create many different output types with a click of a button. Thanks for the attention. If you have any question, just reach out. My name is Gordian, and have fun creating copy.